New flu numbers are out from the CDC, and doctors are warning what could happen over the next few weeks. I'm Jonathan Seri. I'll have details coming up.
This is Good Day Central Illinois on WYZZ.
Yesterday marked 1 year since a gunman killed 17 people at a high school in Parkland, Florida.
A commission there released a report last month which mentioned, among other things, many missed warning signs. Now some schools across the country are finding their own ways to make sure they don't miss a thing.
Natasha Chen visited one district in Connecticut using software that alerts them to troubling social media posts by their students.
Valentine's Day 2018. A former Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School student came back to the campus from which he was expelled and killed 17 students and staff members. There were warning signs on social media. 6 weeks before the shooting, someone called the FBI about the shooter's gun ownership, desire to kill people, erratic behavior, as well as the potential of him conducting a school shooting. The tip never made it to the Miami field office or its agents.
You have to ask the question, what if the district had that?
Greg Boulanger, director of public safety at Bristol Public Schools in Connecticut, is not waiting for people to bring in tips. An algorithm is doing that for him. The district pays about $2 per student per year for a service called Social Sentinel. The software scans public social media posts within a geographical area for certain words and phrases that could indicate violence.
I've had some pretty serious catches where young ladies have made some claims of acts to commit self-harm.
Other times, the trigger words bring up posts that are benign.
You know, I'm going to kill myself if the Patriots win in one more Super Bowl.
But he says it's worth it because of close to 20 real situations the district has intercepted since adopting the program 5 years ago.
I think it's a good idea.
Rebecca Bailey has 4 children in Bristol Public Schools. She still remembers the day of the Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting less than an hour's drive away.
Until I found out that it wasn't around their school and area, I couldn't eat, I couldn't work. I was just really scared.
Social Sentinel is just one of many strategies of keeping kids safe here, including surveillance cameras and curtains to block an intruder's view into a classroom. But the idea of scanning social media has troubled privacy advocates. In 2017, Facebook and Twitter stopped giving a company called Geopedia access to their data. The American Civil Liberties Union said surveillance by Geopedia violated free speech because the company helped police departments collect information about people's political activism. In 2016, Geopedia's CEO said the company has policies in place to prevent the inappropriate use of its software. The founder of Social Sentinel says his company isn't looking for people's political activity.
Whether it's a political protest or a cupcake festival, our system is agnostic to that. We are just looking for the language of harm.
Language Social Sentinel can search for.
We're not going out and eavesdropping and looking to say, well, we don't like this student, so let's go into their account.
The system does not allow schools to do their own searches. Instead, the algorithm is scanning the void, flagging cries for help and potential threats, too. In Bristol, Connecticut, I'm Natasha Chen.
The director of public safety at Bristol Public Schools says the goal is not to get students thrown out. He says they don't automatically run to police and turn over what they find. The priority is to get a school crisis team to help that student.
For the first time, the CDC is tracking estimates on how many people have died from flu-related illness while the season is still unfolding.
Jonathan Seri is in Atlanta with the numbers and what you need to know to help you stay healthy.
The key message is there's still time for people to get vaccinated.
Federal health officials say the current flu season has claimed nearly 16,000 lives, including 28 children. To put that in perspective, the last 10 years have seen flu-related deaths between 12,000 and 79,000 by the end of each season.
Influenza is severe. It can be life-threatening.
And we're not out of the woods yet. Doctors say it's likely this flu season is going to get worse before it gets better.
Right now we're seeing a highest level of activity that we've seen so far this season. It may continue for several weeks. The peak may come at different times in different parts of the country.
Thursday afternoon, the CDC also released estimates on this season's flu vaccine, which appears to be 47% effective for people of all ages and 61% effective for children. Experts say as far as flu goes, those are good numbers, but it shouldn't be our only line of defense.
the vaccine is not 100% effective, it's still important for people to prevent influenza using common measures, washing their hands, covering and coughing and sneezing. But the important thing is that influenza vaccination is the best way that we have of preventing influenza.
Doctors are stressing the flu is a dangerous disease, even in a somewhat milder season like this year. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.